My name is Jeeva. I am studying in LKG. My school name is St. Philomena's High School in Chandapura.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Russia, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Busan, Temple, Brazil, Brazil, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Beijing, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Cambridge, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Shitanagar, Assam, Deshmukh, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Bhup, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Nimpa, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Hyderabad, Nagaland, Kohima, Valsad, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Raipur, Sikkim, Jaipur, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Magadala, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Hind, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National symbols.
National symbol:
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Royal capital:
National flag.
three-color flag:
National flower.
lotus,
National animal.
tiger,
National sea animal.
dolphin,
National bird.
peacock,
National fruit.
mango,
National vegetable.
pumpkin,
National language.
Hindi,
National calendar.
Saka calendar,
National book.
Bhagavad Gita,
National game.
hockey,
National tree.
banyan tree,
National river.
Ganga.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Vishnu: Matsya, Kuma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Lashrama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalike.
Neighbor countries of India.
Neighbor countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighbor state of Karnataka.
Neighbor states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Five oceans.
Five oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka: Kuveಂಪು, ದ ರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ವಿ.ಕೆ. ಗೋಕಾಕ್, ಯು.ಆರ್. ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರಾವ್.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Gudo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Classical dance from India.
Classical dance from India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipuri, Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Odissi, Odisha; Satariya, Assam; Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh; Dandiya, Bujura; Yakshagana, Karnataka.
National festivals.
National Festival: January 26, Republic Day; August 5, Independence Day; September 5, Teachers Day; October 2, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
Seven wonders of India.
7 Wonders of India, Gomteshwar in Karnataka, Nagma in Delhi, Ampi Temple in Karnataka, Konark Temple in Orissa, Nalanda city in Bihar, Khajuraho Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Minister of Karnataka, Chengalraya Reddy, Tengal Hanumanthayya, Kalidala Manjappa, S. Lingalingappa, B.D. Jatte, S. R. Gandhi, Virendra Patti, V. Devadarasa, R. Gundura, Ramakrishna Hegade, S. R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, M. Veerappa Moily, H. D. Devagowda, J. H. Patel, S. M. Krishna Dharamse, V. V. Santagowda, Jagdish Setta, Siddaramaiah, H. D. Kumaraswamy, V. S. Yediyurappa, Basalraj Bommai, Siddaramaiah.
President of India.
President of India, Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, V. V. Giri, B. D. Jatti, V. N. Sanju Reddy, Shankar Jay Sharma, K. R. Iyer, A. P. J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Moupati Murmu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru, Bengaluru, Adda, Belgavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikballapur, Chitradurga, Dakshin Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gada, Hasan, Kaveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kola, Koppal, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttarakhand, Vijaypur, Nalagiri.
Genders.
Genders,
Masculine.
female,
Male.
female,
Boy.
girl,
Brother.
sisters,
Father.
mother,
Son.
daughter,
Daddy.
mummy,
Papa.
mama,
Uncle.
auntie,
Gentleman.
lady,
Husband.
wife,
Man.
woman,
Son.
madam,
Bull.
cow,
Cock.
hen,
Dog.
ditch,
Lion.
lioness,
Tiger.
tigeress,
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು,
ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ.
ಶಿಲಿಂಗ,
ಗಂಡು.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು,
ಹುಡುಗ.
ಹುಡುಗಿ,
ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಅಕ್ಕ,
ತಂದೆ.
ತಾಯಿ,
ಅಜ್ಜ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ,
ಮಗ.
ಮಗಳು,
ಅಪ್ಪ.
ಅಮ್ಮ,
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ,
ಗೃಹಸ್ಥ.
ಗೃಹಿಣಿ,
ಗಂಡ.
ಹೆಂಡತಿ,
ಪುರುಷ.
ಮಹಿಳೆ,
ಸೋದರಳಿಯ.
ಸದಸ್ಯ,
ಸರ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್,
ಗೂಳಿ.
ಆಕಳು,
ಮುಂಜ.
ಕೋಳಿ,
ಗಂಡು ನಾಯಿ.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನಾಯಿ,
ಗಂಡು ಸಿಂಹ.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಿಂಹ,
ಗಂಡು ಹುಲಿ.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಹುಲಿ.
7 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ in Telugu.
7 colors: red, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of Ritus.
Names of fruits: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರದ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು.
ಹಿಂದೂ lunar.
ಹಿಂದೂ ನೂಲಮ, ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಫಾಗ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalaya, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Vishnudevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mauryavarma, Amagavash, Madhakarji Nayaka, Kittunani Chanama, Akka Bukka, J. Chamarajode, Kempegowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival: Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mohram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Ulvabai Deshmukh, Aruna Salpali, Suchitra Hariparani, Kittunani Sharma, Keladi Chanam, Akka Vamana Keva Baba, Vijayalakshmi Pandey, Sarojini Naidu, Lakshmi Bai.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
10 मुख्य उपनिषद.
10 मुख्य उपनिषद: ईशावास्य उपनिषद, टेना उपनिषद, कथा उपनिषद, प्रश्न उपनिषद, मांडुक्य उपनिषद, ऐतरेय उपनिषद, बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, छांदोग्य उपनिषद.
18 पुराणास.
18 पुराण: विष्णु पुराण, मत्स्य पुराण, भविष्य पुराण, ಕೂರ್ಮ ಪುರಾಣ, ಭಾಗವತ ಪುರಾಣ, ವಾಮನ ಪುರಾಣ, ಸ್ಕಂದ ಪುರಾಣ, ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪುರಾಣ, ಭಾಗವತ ಪುರಾಣ, ಶಿವ ಪುರಾಣ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಲ್ಯಂಗಿ ಪುರಾಣ, ಮಾರ್ಕಂಡೇಯ ಪುರಾಣ, ಲಿಂಗ ಪುರಾಣ, ವಾಯು ಪುರಾಣ, ನಾಲಂದ ಪುರಾಣ, ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಪುರಾಣ, ಪದ್ಮ ಪುರಾಣ.
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್.
Most popular international airport, Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
9 Union Territories.
9 Union Territories, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Northern Nada Kaveri, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasty, Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Vaishala dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty, Vardhana dynasty.
Spice and sovereigns.
Spice and sovereign, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: C.V. Ramuja, C.V. Rama, Homi Baba, Jagdish Sajiva, Mehar Saha, M. Visheshwara, Satyanas Bose, Subramania Chandrasekhar, Vikram Saravai, Anu Goenka, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to against exploitation, cultural and education, rights to constitutional remedies,
Rights to freedom of religion.
rights to freedom of religions. Thank you.